About a year ago, I was charged with a federal crime. I don't mean to be bad, but I was just doing it without unbeknownst. And so after I was charged, I asked for help. Well, because it's a federal case, I figured that the federal judge would have the time and money to be able to persecute me to the full extent of the law.
The emotional state on negligent security cases can be very difficult because a negligent security, when you go to a particular place, for example, a store or a restaurant, you believe you're going to be safe in that establishment. And what happens is when somebody's injured, first and foremost, many times they're shocked that it even occurred at that particular place. And when they're injured, they have to deal with those injuries and they're looking for the right lawyer to handle their case. So in a negligent security case, it's important to hire the right law firm so that we can investigate concerning if there's anything that's happened in the past at that establishment. Have they had these issues for a long time? Because it all impacts your case. The biggest mistakes you want to avoid on a negligent security case is really you want to reach out and hire an experienced firm right away. A negligent security case usually is a failure by a particular company or establishment to properly secure the environment where a person is expecting to enjoy a nice evening dinner or to go shopping. And when something occurs there, you want a firm that can research, investigate, and prosecute your claim.
The end result is that I got a deferred prosecution for a year as long as I kept my nose clean, in a sense that I wouldn't have to face any charges, and so far so good.
It's important to have an experienced trial attorney represent you on your case. Whether it's criminal or civil, you need somebody that can ultimately take the case to trial, put it in front of a jury, and argue your side of the case. There are certain cases, whether the insurance company doesn't want to pay you the money that you deserve, or the DA is making you a horrible plea offer, or you simply want to go to trial so that you can have your story heard. You need somebody that can tell your story to a jury so that you can get the best possible result.
I'd say expedience, professionalism, and kindness. I would highly recommend this firm to anybody that's in even the smallest amount of trouble. I think just a small amount of even legal advice you can could be very beneficial.
When somebody's afraid to contact an attorney because they're afraid about the potential expense or it's just another bill, I would say reach out and contact an attorney. What happens is it is expensive and can be expensive to hire an attorney. But in the long run, you're going to want to hire an attorney that can help minimize the consequences of an allegation. And with the money, it's cheaper to hire an attorney in the beginning because they can start addressing issues than to wait until things get out of control. So you want to hire an attorney right away.